In this video, we are going to check the water side of the floor mount installation. First, ensure that each unit in the system has its own set of isolation valves. This will allow each unit to be serviced individually without shutting down the entire hot water system. Next, verify that the expansion tank has been installed on a cold water supply. Verify that the Y strainer that was shipped with the unit has been installed with the arrow pointing in the direction of the flow. Next, check the incoming water pressure using a pressure gauge. The rated operating pressure range of the unit is 30 to 160 psi. Note that incoming water pressure of 150 psi or higher will cause the T&P valve to open. For this reason, it is recommended to limit the incoming pressure to 145 psi or less. Please note that the incoming water pressure sets the maximum allowable water hardness per the table in Section 18 of the manual. Section 18 also mentions the maximum allowable mineral content in the incoming water. Please reference this section when checking the water quality. At this time, we can also check the water quality using a water test strip. If your installation includes more than one floor unit, we recommend using a first-in, last-out piping setup. You can also reference Section 3.7 of the Installation and Operation Manual, which contains our recommended piping diagrams. Finally, let's turn our attention to the building recirculation line. The recirculation line should tie into the cold water supply line before the Y strainer. A check valve should also be installed on the cold water supply line before the recirculation line is tied in. Ensure the check valve is oriented in the correct direction with the arrow pointing in the direction of flow. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to product support.